Okay, check this out, guys. LASFIT came out with these rear seat back covers. So here they are. Look at that. Basically the same material, same texture as the floor mats that they came out with a couple months back, but they're going to cover the back seat here of my second row of my Tesla Model Y. So yeah, see what it look like. Looks pretty good. Should be a pretty easy install. On the back side here, they got this Velcro that will stick to the carpet behind the back seat. And they also have these little areas here that will fit in those sections, and even right here. So again, should be pretty easy to install. But first off, to make this easier, we're going to go ahead and fold down the seats there. Okay, should be easy to install this, but you got to make sure you line up this little opening here with this section. Velcro's pretty sticky, if you will. So yeah, make sure you line up this area first. Basically just line up all the sides as well. Should the corners lined up. You may have to lift up this little mat first. It fits around this thing pretty snug, but so far it looks pretty good. It lines up pretty well. So let's go ahead and install these last two. Yeah, even this section lines up pretty nicely too. And then of course, this opening where the latch engages. So far it looks really nice. All right, and now for the last piece. It's easier to line up the top, I've noticed. And then followed by this little latch section here. Then again, just make sure all the Velcro stuck to the carpet. And that should be it. Now we can go ahead and fold the seats back up. One other thing I noticed is that you want to make sure you're tucking this bottom part right here of the mat underneath the existing carpet from the cargo area. That way when you're folding the seat back up, it slides underneath into the cavity of between the back seat and the trunk area. So just like that. That way when you fold it up, like I said, it tucks right underneath. And that's it, guys. That was obviously easy installation here, but overall it looks pretty good. So if you're ever needing to fold down the back seat and want to be able to protect, the back carpet of your back seat there, then these are definitely worth getting. And again, they're by LASFIT. So I want to thank LASFIT for sending these out to me. And if you haven't seen the floor mats by LASFIT for the Model Y and Model 3, check them out because they're great. Like this cargo mat in the back has been awesome. So to be able to add the feature of the back seat cover, that's going to be great. So I've had to actually haul a couple of things in here, whether it's 2x4s or actually hauled in a cabinet, a metal cabinet from Home Depot, and wish I had those covers in, but yeah, so it looks really good up against the cargo mat, and so that looks real nice. Looks really good. Happy about this. So if you guys found this helpful, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe for more, and I'll put a link down in the description for these mats here to cover up the back seat, along with the cargo mat and the floor mats for the front and the back seat. All right, guys. Catch you guys in the next one. See ya.